Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start here, sign into the exact Google account you want to remove, and make sure you have control of its recovery phone or email. Once signed in, go to Data and Privacy and initiate Google Takeout to export mail, photos, and docs. This preserves important files. Make sure to check connected devices and active sessions. You will revoke them later. Do the backup now, because deletion is irreversible. Preparing saves time and prevents lost data when you proceed. Now move to the deletion screen. Open Data and Privacy, scroll to delete your Google account, and follow the prompts. You verify identity, enter your password, and complete two-step verification if prompted. This prevents unauthorized removal. Then read the items listed for deletion: Gmail, Drive, Photos, Play purchases, and any subscriptions. Make sure you cancel paid services first. Once you accept the final terms and confirm, Google schedules removal. You may receive an email confirmation. Save that for records. Finish by signing out everywhere. Go to Security, Devices, and sign out of each session. Then remove the account from mobile device settings to stop sync immediately. Revoke third-party app access and cancel any subscriptions that auto-bill the deleted account. If something goes wrong, say you cannot verify identity, use the recovery phone or secondary email to regain access, or remove the account locally from the device settings as a last resort. This troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.